Uber and Lyft drivers often see pay fluctuate between roughly $15 and $25 per hour before expenses, but the real difference comes from how each app assigns rides and handles demand spikes. By the end, you'll understand how Uber and Lyft actually calculate pay, when each app tends to pay more, and which one usually wins depending on your city and driving hours. Start with how pay is calculated. Uber pays per trip using a base fare plus distance and time, then adds surge pricing during high demand. That means your hourly income depends heavily on when you drive, not just how far you go. Lyft also pays per ride using distance, time, and bonuses during busy periods. The structure is similar, but Lyft tends to rely more on scheduled promotions instead of frequent real-time surge spikes. Now look at demand behavior. Uber usually has more riders in most large cities. That higher demand often leads to more consistent ride requests, especially during peak hours like evenings and weekends. Lyft tends to have fewer total requests in many areas. That can mean longer wait times between rides in slower markets, but sometimes higher payouts during driver bonuses. Now look at which app fills your time better. Uber often reduces downtime because rides appear more frequently in busy zones. More continuous trips can lead to higher hourly earnings, simply from less waiting. Lyft can feel more stop and start depending on your location. But in certain cities, Lyft bonuses can temporarily push earnings higher during targeted promotions. Now, compare peak hours. Both apps increase pay during high demand, but Uber's surge pricing is usually more dynamic and real-time. That means prices can jump quickly during events, weather changes, or rush hours. Lyft's bonuses are often more structured and sometimes tied to completing a set number of rides in a time window. Here's the real difference drivers notice. Uber tends to win on ride volume and consistency in most major cities. Lyft can compete during promotions or in areas where it has strong local demand. Now, the takeaway. Uber usually pays more per hour because of higher trip volume and stronger surge activity. Lyft can occasionally match or beat Uber during bonus periods, but it depends heavily on your market. Next step is simple. Test both apps during the same 2 to 3 peak driving windows and compare how much time you spend waiting between rides. If you want more clear breakdowns like this for gig apps and side income platforms, subscribe for straightforward comparisons based on real driver experience patterns.